welcome to News Hub 88, guys. We're taking a walk and I want to share this video with you all. Some beautiful serenic area here in Flint Creek Water Park. This is a side entrance for the locals to walk and view the area. But the water park is just gorgeous. So if you get in South Mississippi at all, anywhere, if you get on the coast, you might want to come up to Wiggins, check out the smaller town feel. People are just as friendly as all get out. You can't meet better people anywhere. The water park offers tons of stuff. They rent cabins on the water, jet ski, water park, like I said, fishing, swimming, you name it, you can do it out here. Take in the scenery, man. It's beautiful out here. You can't beat it. Get away from the city if you can sometime and come enjoy it. If you haven't, this is a spot you want to check out. So this is the side entrance right here, so you're not getting to view all the good scenery. It's coming up in the video, some of it, and we're going to add another video, of course, and another video as we walk today. And hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe if you do, and we look forward to seeing you around. God bless.